Hello, Paul here from EMD Motor Sport. I've got a Range Rover Evoque I was working on. The fan wasn't working, so I've actually stripped it down there. I think I got another video before, but I just want to show you the fan was actually the fan was working. Let me rephrase that. The fan was working full blast, and you can't turn it off. So now I'm going. The problem was the actual resistor. This was shorted, so every time the actual fan was turned on, actually the fan doesn't even turn off, it's just shorted. So directly, so when you turn the car off, the fan keeps going. So the customer pulled the fuse 28 in the engine bay out to stop the fan. So I came in, I had to diagnose the problem to make sure the fan works properly, wiring harness working properly, and I had to test the wiring for the actual controller resistor as well. That's all good. And the problem was just this resistor. So you gotta test everything properly just in case it's not the resistor and it's something else. So that's why proper diagnostic tests must be carried out. Otherwise you'll be replacing parts twice, 3 times before it's fixed. So now it's fixed. Let's try it on. Now you can put the fan full blast. You can hear it. It's working nice and cold, and you can turn it off. Alright, on, halfway, and off. So this car is fixed. So I need to do the tires, 2 tires on the car, pink slip, and then I can take it for a road test. But at the moment I had the car running 2 days ago, I think, for 1 hour in the workshop, double check underneath, no coolant leak. And then once I get the tires done, get the pink slip done, I can actually road test the car and double check it, and then I'll put the under tray back on and the customer can pick it up. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.